What's up, what's up, what's up? Sunday afternoon. I'm the present dad. Out here with my son Max and Cooper, walking in the neighborhood, getting Max some exercise. Max will probably walk a total of about a mile and a half today. I'm very impressed with him doing this. He's pretty energetic. Well, I gotta get off right now. Cooper, come get Max, that car coming. Go over there on the side, my man. Over there.
Yeah.
Okay, we're good. Yep, sorry. So, you gotta have his rope. So he's doing a great job of walking today, getting his exercise in. Back to the grind tomorrow. Got school. I got school tomorrow. Gotta get up early and get back to the real world. But I love it. Having an awesome time with the three boys. We enjoying life. And that's what matters to us. Talk to you guys soon. I'm the present dad with Max and Cooper. Mama. Hey, buddy.
No.
You. Okay, let's go.
No.
But he's not photogenic today. Ain't that right, Mama?